Good morning. Welcome to our February 14, 2022 class. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone! Before we start with our review, let's count from 1 to 40 first. Are you ready? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. Did you count with teacher? Very nice. So do you still remember what letter we learned last week? Last week, we learned about the letter. That's correct, the letter Q. And what is the sound of the letter Q? The sound of Q is kwa, kwa, kwa. Good job. So let's start by sorting our capital, by finding our capital and our lowercase letter. So capital letter Q should be color blue. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 capital letter Q. Now let's look for lowercase letter Q. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So we found our capital and our lowercase letter Q. So now let's look for pictures that start with the letter Q. So we have the letter Q here, and we have to look for the other pictures that has the Q sound, just like our quilt. So we have zombie, zombie. Does zombie start with the letter Q? Zombie? No, zombie starts with the letter Z. Next picture, we have question mark. Question mark. Does question mark start with the letter Q? Yes, it does. So let's put question mark there. Next one, we have scissors. Scissors. Does scissors start with the letter Q? No, it starts with the letter S. How about queen? Queen. Does queen start with the letter Q? Yes, it does. And the last picture, we have quarter. Quarter. Does quarter start with the letter Q? Yes, quarter starts with the letter Q. So we found 4 pictures already. We have the letter Q. The sound of Q is kwa, kwa, kwa. For quilt, question mark, queen, and quarter. All of these pictures start with what letter again? Letter Q. Good job. So now, let's see what our letter is for today. We have the letter, the letter R. Very good. And what is the sound of the letter R? The sound of R is R. So let's trace our capital letter R. We start at the top, make a straight line down. Go back up, make a small curve to the middle and kick. And now let's trace lowercase letter r. Straight line down, go back up, and a curve. And we have lowercase letter r. We have capital and lowercase letter r that makes the sound Good job. So let's see what we have for the next slide. So we have pictures here that start with the letter R. We have R is for rocket, R is for rabbit, R is for ring, R is for radio, R is for rose, R is for rain, R is for robot, R is for rainbow, and lastly, R is for roller skates. Now that we already know what capital and lowercase letter R looks like, and also all the pictures that start with the letter R, let's get our letter R Play-Doh map. So because it's the letter R, I'm going to make a rainbow letter R. Because rainbow starts with the letter R. Rainbow. And you know what? The color red also starts with the letter R. All done with my rainbow letter R. Now let's color the pictures that start with the letter R. The first picture we have is an umbrella. Umbrella starts with the letter R. No, it starts with the letter U. How about rabbit? Rabbit. Does rabbit start with the letter R? Yes, it does. Rabbit starts with the letter R. So let's color that. Then we have rainbow. Rainbow. Does rainbow start with the letter R? Yes, rainbow also starts with the letter R. How about a ring? Ring. Does ring start with the letter R? Yes, ring starts with the letter R. And last one, we have a robot. Robot. Does robot start with the letter R? Another yes. So we found 4 pictures that start with the letter R. R is for rabbit. R is for rainbow. R is for ring. And R is for robot. Now it's time to make our letter R hat. So let's get our letter R hat and let's start by tracing our capital letter R and our lowercase letter R. Let's paste the picture of our ring, picture of the rocket, then we have the rainbow, rain, and lastly, robot. All of these pictures begin with what letter? The letter R. Very good. So let's continue by practicing how to write our capital letter R. So can you get your whiteboard and your whiteboard markers? Let's make our capital letter R. First, draw a line, then a rainbow, add a ramp, and we're ready to go. So let's start at the top. We make a straight line down. Then we go back up to the top, make a small curve to the middle, and you kick. Again, let's do that again. Straight line down, go back up, make a small curve to the middle, and kick. One more, straight line down, go back up, make a small curve to the middle, and kick. And we now have our capital letter R. Very good. Did you make 3 letter R's on your paper? That's very nice. So let's practice some more and get our work that looks like this. So let's make our different sizes capital letter R. And what do we do before we start working? We start by, very good, tracing our name first. We have to trace our name. And when we're all done with that, we are going to write our letter R in all sizes. A big letter R, a middle-sized letter R, and a small-sized letter R. You can pause the video if you're not yet done. Okay, everybody is done with our letter R. So let's have an activity first. So we have our letter R here. So let us look for our capital letter R first. So R is for rock. We have to drag the rocks to mark where do we see the capital letter R. Is this the capital letter R? No, it's the letter W. How about this one, capital letter R? Yes, it is. Capital letter R, another yes. Capital letter R? Yup. Capital letter R? No, it's the letter H. Capital letter R? Yes. Capital letter R? No. Capital letter R? Yes. Capital letter R? No, it's letter M. Good job. Capital letter R? Yes, it is. This one, is this capital letter R? No, it's the letter A. This is the capital letter R? Yes, it is. How about this one, capital letter R? Yup. This is the capital letter R? No, it's a lowercase letter R. How about this one, capital letter R? Yes. This one is the capital letter R? Another yes. So we're all done with looking for our capital letter R's. Let's go to lowercase letter R. So for lowercase letter R, we have to cover again, just like what we did with the capital one. Lowercase letter R, yes. Lowercase letter R, yes. Are you sure? Yes, it is. Lowercase letter R, no, it's the letter I. Lowercase letter R? Yes. Lowercase letter R? No, it's the letter T. Lowercase letter R? Yes. Lowercase letter R? Another yes. Lowercase letter R? No, it's the letter N. Lowercase letter R? Yes. Lowercase letter R? No, it's letter O. Lowercase letter R, another yes. Lowercase letter R, no, it's the letter J. Lowercase letter R, yes. Lowercase letter R, another yes. Lowercase letter R, no, it's the letter L. This one is the lowercase letter R. Yes, it is. Wow, we found all the capital and the lowercase letter R. Let's proceed to our work. So we have R is for robot. Oh, so we have R is for robot. And then we have tracing our lines and the letter R and also sorting our capital and lowercase letter R. So you can now pause the video so you can do your work. Did you finish your work? Very nice. So let's take a break and you can watch your story for today. You can also eat your snack. All done? Wow, let's continue with our work. Let's start with our count and graph. Very good. Let's start with our capital letter R first. Let's mark and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's have lowercase letter R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we have our roses. Let's look for roses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look for our rainbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's look for our rings. 1, only 1. And then they have our radio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And lastly, our rocking horse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you finish your count and graph? Very good. Did you also mark and count? Good job. So now let's proceed to the next work where we have to look for our letter R. So let's start by writing our name first. And when we're all done writing our name, let's color, count, and color our capital and lowercase letter R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 letter R's, and we have R is for ring. Let's see what we have for our next slide. Ooh, we have to look for the capital and the lowercase letter R. So let's start with our capital letter R. Let's use color red. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 capital letter R's. Now let's look for lowercase letter R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 lowercase letter R. So are you finished with this work? Very nice. Let's have our last work for today where we have to color our capital letter R color gray and lowercase letter R color purple. So let's start with our capital letter R first. Don't forget to trace your name, okay? When we're all done coloring, we can find what the hidden pictures are. Okay, we're all done with capital letter R. Now let's get color purple and color our lowercase letter R. You can use your crayon or your dabber for this. Make sure that you're coloring inside the black lines and no white spaces will be left. Just like what teacher is doing right now. I am coloring everything and no white spaces left. Okie dokie. And what is our hidden picture? It's a A rock. Very good. And rock starts with what letter? The letter R. So let's review. What letter did we learn today? We learned about the letter R. And what are the pictures that start with the letter R? We have R is for rain, R is for robot, R is for rose, R is for rug, and R is for rocket. All these pictures have the r sound in the beginning. Everybody did a good job because they finished their work today. Let's give you your friends. So let's give Evo his friend. Amira likes color pink, so she'll get her pink friend. Mina also likes color pink. Let's give Mason his friend. And let's give Anton his friend also. Everybody got their troll friends. And I will see you again on Wednesday. Bye-bye.